Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing a quick review on a new tire shine product that I am not sponsored to show, but well, my tires look disgusting. They're like kind of faded looking, and I realized kind of when I was out west driving a lot of these rental cars is they looked really awesome. Their tires really popped, and I don't know, it just kind of really inspired me to go out and get some actual legitimate tire shine, because I was primarily using, I think, the liquid stuff, which I know a lot of the gel products are like liquid based, but I think it's still worth trying and see how it handles my specific tires. And I do want to say my car is not like freshly washed. I washed it like 2 to 3 days ago, and I have driven it like another 150 miles after that wash, so it's probably seen a little bit of dirt and some grime, and you know, it's not the ideal time to put on a dressing for the tires, but we're gonna see what it looks like and kind of how it compares to the tire condition now, because right now the tires are a little faded looking and they need some love. All right, so we had to do a little relocation because there's some birds. Anyway, this looks like it probably holds a decent amount. I could probably get a lot of uses out of this bottle. Really handy to have an applicator as well. And it's, you know, looks like the perfect size for this type of tire. So I will say, usually these applicators don't last very long for me. I've gone through so many applicators, and we'll see though. It's really, you know, time will tell for sure. So to start us off, we'll put a kind of a generous amount on this applicator pad. Again, when we start putting on the tire, it'll probably flatten out, but just put a little bit more. Why not? And let's see how well this spreads. And already, holy smokes, I can definitely tell this is a gel product because it's kind of giving it, this is definitely more of the shiny. So I know a lot of people don't really love shiny tires, and I personally really never did. However, for these black wheels, it sort of suits it a little bit. So we'll see, especially on these tires, how mine are sort of stained, and I don't know if it's just damage to the tires. But I can say this one application that I've done is really it's spreading nicely. And I always get the inside too, just between the tire and the wheel. So usually that's gross. Another thing too is, you know, the idea behind cleaning your tire prior to, and you can use really any cleaner. It is preferred to use a dedicated tire cleaner. However, you know, one of the reasons why it's good to clean is the fact that there's a lot of brake dust. You'll probably notice after driving your car very hard, your wheels are going to look extremely dull and like just extremely dull, probably orange tint or hue to them, and a lot of that is brake dust. And when there's brake dust on there, the coating, or I should say the tire gel or dressing, it doesn't really last that long. This claims it lasts up to 8 weeks, but I assume this really shiny look probably is gonna last around maybe a week and change, and then it'll just it'll stay black, which is again a preferred look for a lot of people. So at first you probably get a really shiny look as you're seeing now. But yeah, I mean, it's spreading nicely. This applicator is pretty easy to use. It really helps out with this type of product. And yeah, no, it's going nicely for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much the application. I would say extremely easy, and it spreads really nicely. We got a really good shine. You could definitely go back with like a towel and buff it and really get sort of a matte sheen, but I decided, because it's a gel and I'm not super worried about slick, even though you'll probably still get a little bit of tire slick, that I just wanted to see what it's like shiny. Especially with these wheels, you know, being not they're not matte Pretorias, they are glossy black Pretorias, and as you guys can see, the amount of brake dust that I did a full detail on these wheels, and there's still a ton of brake dust. At some point I will film a video where I'm using every possible chemical to just really clean these, then I'll do a little polish as well, and we'll get these wheels looking really good. Yeah, as far as how I'd rate this product, I'd give it a nice 8 out of 10. It's really good. I don't think I've used many that are as good as this, but I don't want to say it's a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10 because this is of the cheaper variety. There are a lot of cheaper products out there, but this is certainly one of them. Yeah, so I guess this another thing I do want to mention, so if there's any companies that are watching that offer detail products, I have started to kind of use my email more, so I will drop that in the description below. If you have any products that you want me to review, I'll certainly entertain those offers and those ideas. And yeah, I really like this product. If any of you guys are interested in getting this type of look, definitely check out Black Magic Tire Wet Gel. This is not a sponsored video. This is just something I wanted to try because it was only like $9 at the store. So I will link this product in my description below. And I think with that said, I'm going to end the video there, and I'll do a couple pan shots of all the tires dressed. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.